This is a 1961 Ford Thunderbird. Nice whites on it.
The old bullet bird.
Thunderbird, yeah.
I was mentioning that that's that Topo steering too.
Yeah, it's got the slide-away steering wheel on it. Easy to get in and out of.
Yeah.
And it's just another beautiful ride as well.
This has really set the tone for the 60s, going into the 60s.
Yes.
Remember the square bird?
Yeah.
And then this thing came along with something.
Well, and the designers were inspired by the aerodynamics of the airplane.
Yeah. Well, these are fins that start at the front. Well,
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's really
Yeah.
well done. I like it. Always was a big fan of these cars.
Yeah. But they were always Dad's cars, right? They were never our cars.
Well, that's on the Beach Boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see these.
Got her daddy's T-Bird. Yeah. She'll have fun.
Yeah. You know, that's a pretty, I mean, they call it resale red, but it really works on this car.
Does. Yeah.
Really good. Looks like that. The old Mears factory too.
Yeah.
So what was under the hood?
This one here, I believe, don't quote me, I believe it's a 351.
You'll be testing on this later. Yeah.
It's inside. It might be inside.
I always like these door handles.
Yeah.
These are turned
Well,
in.
in this one here, when you close it, they close. It's like there's no sound like it.
Yeah.
You know you're in.
Everything's a learning experience.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah.
we know there's an engine in there because
We
drove
do.
it enough.
And I drove it, and it sounds great.
Yeah. And it's,
Yeah.
And it's the factory engine, I think.
But it means so.
Yeah. This is so cool. You know, this car looks faster than it used to. I mean,
100%.
it's like they customize it really on the back.
Yeah.
And I've
Yeah.
seen them customize after the fact. Well, why bother? You know, you're already looking pretty cool.
Well, and they did those custom coupes back in the day too. I think it was older than this one, where the whole interior looked like a cockpit.
Okay.
And you had the buckets in the back of it as well.
Oh, right, yeah. With the tunnel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
With
that
the
was
tonneau
like
in the convertibles.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
looked like you're in a jet airplane.
Oh yeah.
But this does too.
Yeah.
And then you know you got
Very Jetsons-ish.
I really like it.
Yeah.